When an irregular penetration is penetrating the roof, such as an HVAC line, an electrical line, or a plumbing line, and it's not perfectly round where a pipe flashing could be used on it, we have to use a pitch pocket. And what that pitch pocket does is that it's able to accommodate the fact that that penetration is not perfectly round. And what it is, it's basically a little lip or a pan that's created. Think of it like almost like you're creating a little above ground pool above the roof line that's going to hold pourable sealer. And the pourable sealer is going to pour in to the pitch pan that's created, or the pocket that's created. And when you pour that in, it's going to gel or solidify so that the irregular penetration will not allow water in. A pipe boot will not work on it because it's not perfectly round, so we have to use a pitch pocket to make sure that it doesn't leak in the future. One reason pitch pockets are prone to leaks is they used to have to be a mixture, a two-part system. And so it'd be part A and part B, which would be mixed in your pocket, or think of like a little above ground pool, and then it would almost kind of gel together and mold. And if those weren't mixed together correctly, there could be cracking into the mold, and then that would eventually leak. Pitch pockets are the best solution we have as roofers to a complex issue of trying to make sure that an irregular penetration that's sticking out of your roof doesn't leak. To know if your pitch pocket is installed correctly or incorrectly, obviously if it's leaking, it's probably installed correctly. But one of the quickest tests is to look at it, and you can see if there's water sitting in it. They didn't properly install a crown on top to get positive drainage off of the pitch pocket. Or you can kind of see if it's cracking. They probably got the ratios off when they were mixing their part A and part B into the pitch pocket. If you're having a leak at your pitch pocket or think it may be installed incorrectly, please give Rhoden Roofing a call, and we're more than happy to help you out.